All right, so now again, what we're going to look at a specimen paper, a type of a past paper. Okay, it gives you it gives you a sample to the questions which you see in a past paper. So here's like a past paper, and we want to see the questions to do with that unit 4. Okay, that we should be able to answer when we are done with this unit 4. Let's go to them. First one is going to be this one, number 4, and it is worth 4 marks. It is parametric equations, and they talk about the gradient of the curve, because a parametric equation is an equation of a curve. You're going to see that. It's going to be something like this, okay? Or whatever it looks like. Then they say the gradient of the curve. Whenever they talk about the gradient, we have to differentiate. Okay, gradient of a curve, you can only get it through differentiation, right? And then we'll solve it, blah, blah, blah. So here's the type of a question which you must be able to solve. And then let's go to another one, which you are going to be able to solve. Here it is. Show that the derivative of x minus tan inverse of x is equal to this. So the derivative of tan inverse, you see it? We're going to have to show that this guy leads to this, okay? That's another question worth 2 marks. Is that the end? No, it's not the end. Let's keep going. And then here we have the last one, worth 6 marks. So together they are worth 12 if we see what we've seen out of 75, okay? And that's a lot of a percentage, okay? If I convert it to a percentage, let me see what percentage that will be. 12 divided by 75, okay, it's going to be 16%, okay? That means if you don't get these ones correct from your exam, you already have 84%. You are out of the 90s. Wow, by one topic, yes. Because here it says, it gives you the curve, and it says it has a maximum point. So you are going to have to know about these guys, these stationary points, and they want the coordinates of that guy. So anyway, if you see this, it's a trick guy. We are going to have to differentiate it using the techniques that you would have learned from your unit 4. So anyway, let's go ahead and let's attack and let's see how it goes, okay? I can show you one more paper. Let me show you one more paper. And here is the other one. May, June 2022, paper 3, okay? You can find these 2 papers on the Cambridge website. Let's go to first question. It was number 8. We're gonna solve it at the end of this, okay? Number 8, worth 4 marks. They give you an implicit function. This is called an implicit equation, okay? And they said express dy dx in terms of x and y. So we would have to find dy dx there. And then if we keep going, here worth 5 marks again. So first one was worth 4. This is worth 5. The tangent to the curve at the point blah blah, and the tangent. Once we hear these words, find the value of tan. Once we hear these words, differentiation is in play. So we have 5 marks so far, makes them 9. And is it done? No, it's not. Let's go to the last question here. And it says 4 marks now. It says the curve has a stationary point. And then it says show that blah, blah, blah.